Okay, thank you very much. Welcome back to the last video of system walkthrough for the ERP, for this ERP system that I created. Last time we were looking at the payroll, where we looked at the employees, taxes, payroll codes, payroll transactions, and processing of payroll. So we're just on the last part when the video cut on the processing of payroll, where you can select which account to be debited for everyone's salaries into their. So this is the salary which will be debited, and then the funds will be credited into individual salaries, and even the taxes will be credited into those collection accounts for those taxes. So this is the part where when you click, then everything in the payroll just automatically happens. You don't have to physically move funds into people's accounts. You just click the process payroll, and all the operations are done that are predefined in the system. After that, once you process the payroll, when you see that maybe the transactions have not happened correctly, you can be able to roll back a process. Once you roll back that process, everything, in fact, once you correct the details and then process again the payroll for the second time, the old details that are there will be overridden with the new details, so that you make sure that the transactions are done correctly. Once you are satisfied that all the transactions are okay, you can now finalize, so that those details cannot be undone, or the operation cannot be undone. So when you finalize the month, then you are telling the system to move on from, if I, for example, when in September, once you finalize the month, then you are taking the system or rolling it over into the next month. So when you're processing a payroll, you can process it as many times as possible in a month. But once you finalize, then that's why you won't be able to process the payroll for the previous month. The next time you'll be processing, it will be for that particular month. So now, the next item I'm looking at is the commissions, which is the last item. So under commissions, we've got all commissions, paid commissions, and paid commissions. So people are paid commissions depending. So people that create invoices, quotations, are paid commissions, and currently the commission is at 15%. So once a person completes, once a salesperson gets a customer and closes the deal, and payment is done to our company, then that person will get a commission. So it is now the duty of the accounts in the system to be able to pay those commissions. So as you can see, there are people where we're pending. It also shows the status of each particular transactions. For example, the first one is pending an invoice, which is an amount, which is a sale for this value. While this other one, the payment was completed, and then you can even pay the invoice, which you can pay the commission to this particular user. And the profit, the sale value is this amount. The profit on us has been calculated by a system, and it's this amount. And this is the commission that is owed to this particular user. The payment was completed. We can view the details, and these are the details of this particular. This is the details of the quotation that was created by this particular user, and then we can pay them their commission. So when paying commission, all the details are already there. You just select which account will be debited. Of course, the funds will be credited into the account for this particular user. So that's only on commissions. Of course, I will also change this so that you can add the table for proper viewing of these details. The next part on commissions is that you can view all paid commissions. Currently, there's only one commission that has been paid, and you can view the quotation for this particular detail. The next part is unpaid commission. When you click on unpaid commission, it shows you all the commissions that are yet to be paid. So that is it on the system. Just a recap of everything that is in the system. We have the administrative module, we have got user roles, management of roles, users and locations. We also have the account settings where we've got control accounts, accounts themselves, and financial years where we can be able to do all those settings. The other part is the categories of inventories, the inventory that we have. We can add products, edit, and the like. The other part is on purchases, where we can increase our inventory by purchasing more products. We can be able to see those products. We can be able to track products that have been paid, products that have not yet been paid, like that. And also on the sales, we can be able to manage our customers. We can be able to manage and create quotations. Those quotations can be generated into invoices. We can be able to view paid invoices and unpaid invoices. That's on sales. And then on transactions, we can be able to view the transaction history, our trial balance of our system, the accounts ledger, and also we can be able to create manual transactions, move funds from one account to another. And then the other part is on payroll, where I showed you how to create employees, how to set up taxes for the system, depending on how the setup for the taxes are in our country for that particular year. We can also be able to see the payroll codes, which are the either credits or debits, and even payroll transactions can be able to view that. And finally, processing of the actual payroll. The lastly but not the least is the commission, which I just from showing you, where we can see all commissions, paid commissions and unpaid commissions, and even pay our salespeople, our hardworking salespeople who have made those sales. We can be able to show that payment to them through the system. So thank you very much. So I'll just click on the name of our company to go back to the dashboard. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, please reach out to me, chinyamagerard@gmail.com. We can be able to chat. You can tell me what you need, whether this system answers questions. You can let me know. If you have any questions, any modifications, enhancement, you can let me know. Thank you very much. I submit. Have a good day.